What is going on, everybody? It is Aaron Cates and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be wrapping the face of my Forces. This is something I've wanted to do for quite a long time now, like 5-6 months, but I was always kind of afraid to do it, afraid I'd mess it up. But after going to that show in Atlanta last weekend at Kickback Legends, there's 2 trucks there. They had the face of their wheels wrapped and I absolutely loved it in person. So I'm gonna try and tackle that today. Now what I'm gonna do is I've got a piece of cardboard right here. I'm gonna cut out the shape of the wheel with the cardboard and put it in and slowly trim it until I have perfect fit, and then I'm gonna roll my vinyl out and cut the vinyl with the cardboard, use it as a template. So a lot of you may know, a lot of you might not know, but these are faceplate wheels. That's what these little holes are around the side. But the guy I got these from didn't have the face plates. He said the guy he bought them from must have thrown them away or something, but he didn't have them. So I was gonna try and buy faceplates for him, but I contacted American Force and they said I had to go to a dealer. And being that it have to be from a dealer through American Force, figured it'd probably be a couple $100s for faceplates, and I just didn't really feel like spending that much money. So I've always had the plan to wrap the face of them, but with Daytona being next week and this being a good way to make the truck stand out a little bit more, I figured I'd go ahead and tackle it this weekend, get the face of them wrapped. The only thing we gotta do now is pull them off the truck. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with a time lapse, but I am gonna do 2 at a time because I don't feel like jacking up on all 4 sides. So let's get these off. Just like that, they're off. So now we're gonna put both of them up here because you guys know it's Florida and there's a storm coming in. Like really bad coming in. See how dark it is over there compared to this nice blue sky over here. So we're gonna pull these 2 up here. I'll get one sitting out here on the porch so it's not wet, and then we'll get the other one in there on the porch. I'm just gonna hand polish the back side of them like I normally do, and let's do a quick 2-step on the front, just get them nice and cleaned up, and we can start wrapping them. Fuck, that hurt. Oh, polisher's done for, guys. So I was running the buff across my rake and it just barely caught the cord, ripped the cord up around it, snatched it out of the wall, whipped the absolute shit out of me with the cord. I literally have an imprint of where this hit my calf. Like, there's literally an imprint of this plug on the side of my fucking leg. It hit me in the fucking arm somewhere. Like, somewhere right in here, hit me in the fucking arm. But yeah, polisher's a little bit done for. So it looks like the wheels are just getting hand polished because I'm not going to buy a new polisher right now. Yeah, it chowed it. I mean, I'm sure, and I'm pretty sure this would still fucking work, to be completely honest, but do I really want to try and use this? Not really. I'll take it back to Harbor Freight and see if they'll warranty it, but I'm not going to do that today. So the wheels are just getting hand polished. after 2 20-minute clips, I shut off the camera and I just kept going. I started off doing really slow because I didn't want to cut too much off. And then I was like, you know what, screw it. I set it on the wheel and I trimmed around the wheel. And then it would fall in, but it wouldn't fit because the way these wheels are designed, the barrel is actually larger than the actual face of the wheel because it kind of goes down a smooth lip down in there. But I trimmed it around the wheel and dropped it down in there, and then I kept trimming, and as you can tell, there's a bunch of little cardboard pieces everywhere. So it's finally in there now. I figured it'd be smarter to take the time and spend a lot of time on the template. That way I can just set the template up on the table, cut the vinyl out, set the vinyl in, smooth it out, and then cut out all the holes. So take all the time for the template and don't spend a lot of time on the wheels. So I was in the middle of doing the template on the wheel and I got thinking, I'm going to have polished wheels, I have chrome valve stem caps, and then I'm going to have a wrapped face, chrome center cap, and my spiked lugs are black. So I'm going to have polished chrome, purple, and black out of nowhere. Like that black's not going to tie in very well. So I took the front lugs, the spiked lugs off the truck, all the ones that were holding the wheels on. Damn, this is bright. Turn this down for you guys. There we go. So I took all the spikes from the front and I've got them right here. I just primed them. I still have 2 cans of the purple paint from when I painted my calipers, and I'm going to paint the spikes. Only problem I might have is if they don't match up very good with the purple wrap. You guys remember I wasn't too worried about the brake calipers when I did them because, I mean, they were kind of far from the wrap, so if they didn't blend perfectly, you wouldn't really be able to tell. These are going to be right next to the wrap, so we're going to find out really quick if they match or not, but I figured I was doing this in the background, I might as well let you guys know. Alright, about 40 minutes later, we've got the wheel done. Now, it's not perfect, but I mean, you guys looking at it right now, it don't look too bad. A lot of these little corners right here, they don't want to stay down. I mean, it's not a perfect circle. There's uneven cuts all the way around it. But hey, I did it myself. My first time ever wrapping a wheel. And I did pretty damn good. I'm going to roll this out into the light so you guys can get a better look at it. Alright, so there's the wrapped wheel. There's a non-wrapped wheel. You can see the all polished and then with the purple.
Now, I'm about to go live on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, but check it out. It's Aaron Cates. But I'm about to go live, and the first couple people that go on, I'm only going to be on for like 2-3 minutes. First couple people that join the live are going to get to see the setup and have a deciding factor, because I can't choose. I love how the purple looks, but I love the all polished look. So I'm really undecided on which I'm going to pick. And really, it's going to be a little bit up to you guys and all the people viewing, because I like both of them. So if you guys decide to stay all polished, we'll cancel this video. I'll probably still post it, but cancel wrapping all of the wheels and go all polished. Or if you guys say you guys like the purple look, we'll go purple all the way around.
Alright, so I just got off Instagram Live, and we did not have one single vote for this polished wheel. So all of you said go purple. Purple is the move. Purple is what you all were about. So we are staying with the purple wrapped wheel, and we're gonna wrap the rest of them in purple. Now, I hope you guys like little things like that. I'm gonna try doing things like that a lot more often to include all of you guys in the videos, because I love all of you. I love the support you guys give me, and I love your opinions. So I'm gonna start doing things like this more often. Anytime I'm in the middle of a video, I'll go live on Instagram and try and get like 10 to 15 of y'all in there, because I just started doing Instagram Live, so we don't get too many people in there, but I'm trying to get like 10 to 15 of y'all to see what's going on with whatever video we're doing. I'm trying to go Instagram Live for questions, anything like that. So if you guys want to be a part of the videos, if you guys want to get to talk to me and have some questions answered right away, join the lives on Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to eat lunch real quick. It's like 2 o'clock and I haven't ate anything since yesterday. So I'm going to eat lunch real quick, and then we're going to tackle the other wheels, and I'll pick you guys up then. Alright, so hopefully you guys all enjoyed that quick little B-roll sequence that I just did there. These wheels look awesome. If you can't tell by the truck behind me, it looks absolutely insane. The purple on the face of them, all the way around with the purple spiked lug nuts, absolutely sets it off. So I love it. The great thing about this is if I do get tired of it, say in a month or 2, 6 months, anything like that, just vinyl. I can peel it off. It's not like you got your wheels powder coated, purple, gold, blue, yellow, green. No matter what it is, it doesn't matter if you don't powder coated, because this is vinyl. You can pull it right off. I love it. It looks awesome. And in all reality, to just wrap the wheels and hand polish them only took me like, I'd say 3 hours. The biggest thing I fought was, 1, the weather. 2 was painting the spikes. That took the longest, because you have to wait in between each coat, and then you have to wait for it to dry for so long, and I didn't want to put a socket on them until they had dried for at least 12 hours, so that's what I did. It looks absolutely killer. I'll give y'all more of a better look at them besides the B-roll, but those are the spikes. There's the face. I had to throw the purple wheel lights on. Big shout out to Anthony at Lighting Trends for getting me hooked back up with the wheel lights. If you guys missed my live stream, Anthony hooked me back up with wheel lights. Anthony is the owner of Lighting Trends. He called me personally to make things right. So we're back on that Lighting Trends gang. Got them lights all hooked back up. Looks awesome. And then got our purple headlights that I built a couple months ago. It look awesome. Just purple all the way around. The best part about this is every single one of you out there can do it. Every single one of you has the capability. I don't have a fancy shop. I don't have fancy tools. I wasn't trained, self-taught. I bought a vinyl install kit type deal off Amazon for like 12 bucks. Comes with a blade, squeegee, little things like that. You guys could do the same, or you can just use normal box cutter and a credit card with some like Scotch tape on the end of it. You don't have to have anything fancy to do stuff like this. You don't have to have an enclosed shop, a lift. I mean, like a hydraulic lift, not like a lift kit. You don't have to have a hydraulic lift. You don't have to have anything like that to do this yourself. This is something that every single one of you can do. You all have the capability. You just have to have the want and not be afraid of actually trying it. I've seen one video on YouTube, one single video of someone wrapping the face of the wheels, and it was CK Wraps. He wrapped some like 24s, like blue and black or something like that. So I figured, you know what? It shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna try it myself, and it looks awesome. So I highly suggest, if you just want to tackle like a weekend project and just change the look of your truck, whether you have black wheels, chrome, no matter what, just buy some vinyl and just screw around with it. You probably only need like 10 foot of vinyl just to do your wheels. I think I used maybe like 6 feet. So guys, this is definitely something I think you should try out. I think you would love it, and I think it will really change the look of your ride. So I want to thank you all for watching. Make sure if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go down and click that subscribe button. I'm trying to upload at least twice a week, go live twice a month. I want to interact with you guys as much as I can, and I love and cherish every single one of y'all. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.